Day one of Nypower, flying the PML Phobos. Not the best looking day out, but we manage. Motor retainer on. This is a G77.
Keep an eye on it.
That's suboptimal.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Finally. And like an 8-second delay or something. There we go. Perfect.
Alright.
I got up. All right.
Yeah, you don't text it.
Could be a good spot.
Keep an eye on it. Over the flight line right now. And I think she's clear. Alright, people, please bring up some work. Thank you. Range is cold.
Here we are in the fields. A nicely plowed field, of course. Not even that far from the site. Everything's still here in one piece. Just took about 3 tries to get going. Electrical system problems. But the rocket's fine.
Jackson here, it's really funny that he's doing a small rocket first, but this could be a first for him in his whole life. On the C-18?
That's right.
Okay, I take that back. He's doing something really unique. Okay, here we go. Jackson, your bullpup is going to ride in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Okay, that explains everything.
Come right back to me.
And it's got a 90-foot streamer. Nice job.
You didn't want to chase it.
Look at that. It's coming right back to the flag. Come on, closest to the flag.
No, it's way past the
Oh,
flag.
it's on. Nice job. Okay.
Here it is, followed my line exactly. And it's actually kind of in one of these tracks here, so that's perfect.
1.
9.3. 9? We've been doing this.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen. 1.
The second thing.
With the rocket carrying turbo vortical
Don't land it.
on an F-20 with a 4-second delay.
Holy crap.
This is a helicopter recovery from
This could be awesome.
Right? Yeah. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool. And she